Can an AI agent run your Kubernetes fleet? This is a full operator's day with Claude, with zero kubeconfig access. Install the MCP-server straight from PyPI. Pointed at the fleet, a hub context, read-only spokes, and a state directory. One command adds it to Claude. Connected. First, know the fleet. One question returns every cluster, version, capacity, and add-on health. Claude reasons about placement, where new workloads will land, and why. Now the test. Asked to ship a privileged, latest tag image. The guardrails refuse, every time. The right way. Claude can only propose a pinned image, a compliant manifest, a proposal ID. A human reviews, and signs with an ed25519 key. That token is the only path to a write. With the token, Claude applies, then verifies the rollout is healthy. And everything is on the record, the whole day, reconstructed from the audit trail. Reads are free, writes need a human, everything is remembered.